SmartClassroom is an immersive 3D classroom environment that allows students to talk to each other and their teacher via a custom-made web app, WebSockets, and Three.js.
In this demo, Kirtan, Mr. Shah, will be playing the teacher role, while I, Deepak, will be playing the student role.
As a teacher, all I have to do is click I am a teacher, enter my name, choose a profile picture, and select Next. I'll create the room and share the code on the top right with my students.
After visiting the same page, I can continue as a student and type in my name and upload a profile picture and click Next. After entering my teacher's room code, I am in the same room as him and I can sit at a desk so he can take attendance as a teacher.
As a teacher, I have access to a dashboard. I have several options to choose from. The whiteboard lets students see what I'm drawing. I can also start a live quiz and easily add questions. And I can send this quiz to my students.
I can now fill out this quiz.
On the dashboard, I can now see my class average for the quiz, and I can click to see more details over here. At the end of class, I might want feedback. I can use the menu on the left to create an AI-powered feedback form. I'll use the default question and send it to my students.
I'll give my teacher feedback.
Now, on the dashboard, I can see how well I'm doing. What seem to be Johnny's comments are categorized as destructive criticism by an AI-powered tone analyzer.
Thank you for watching our video.
Stay safe and healthy.